Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 8a, in which we will learn the Makhraj of Za, Seen and Sad. We are learning Makhraj using the letter poem and putting fatha on every letter. So let us start. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. And we are starting with tha, dha, dha, and then ta, da, ta, and in this lesson we will learn za, sa, sa. These sa, ta, da, these are very thick and high letters. Alright, so how do you say za? Touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of lower teeth and blow with a strong sound. See the picture? Touch it at the lower teeth and then blow. Za. Can you repeat 3 times? Za, 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 za. Similarly, sa, but sa is the same makhraj spot or same makhraj or same spot but with a soft sound. Repeat. Sa, 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 sa. Now before we take the next letter, see the difference between a and a. English A-W-E, a. To have feeling of wonder and fear. So repeat after me 3 times first. A, 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 a. And notice the difference, the tongue rising, and you don't make your lips round, okay? Make sure you don't do that. Keep a mirror in front of you. So repeat after me. Sa, 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 sa. Notice the shape of the letter sa. The bulb is similar to the tongue that is rising. Subhanallah, the letter gives you the message. And similarly, we have us. So, can you repeat after me 3 times? Us, 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 us. Don't say sa or swa or aswa. Don't make any change on your lips. Let's take sa, si, su. Sa, si, su. Sa, si, su. Sa, si, su. Sun, sin, sun. Sun, sin, sun. Sun, sin, sun. Sun, sin, sun. Let's practice some words. Asbarahum. Asbarahum. Watawasaw. Watawasaw. Sirata. Sirata. Suduri. Suduri. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.